Kaya ito yung ano, no, laging sinasabi ng mga tao, I don't want to be in a business because I don't have the capital. Wrong. Ang aking produkto, ang aking milk tea, marirefresh, quench niya yung thirst, lahat ng kliyente. Remember this, if you cannot identify your market, it means you do not have a market at all. Knowing our dream buyer or our Suki buyer would change everything. It changes everything from our product offering to our marketing strategies to our pricing, even yung mga channels of advertising that we will be using. Kaya ito yung ano, no, laging sinasabi ng mga tao, I don't want to be in a business because I don't have the capital. Wrong. You can execute your idea without zero or without any money or having zero money. You just have to have that business idea that you can launch that would address pain points that you could scale up, and funders, venture capitalists, and even your friends will be willing to pitch in if they see that your business idea would fly.